Welcome my YouTube channel. Becoming a YouTube celebrity. E-books. Review of the ebook, Becoming a YouTube Celebrity. First impressions and layout. When I first came across the ebook Becoming a YouTube Celebrity, I was honestly a bit skeptical. There are so many guides out there promising quick fame, and I wasn't sure if this one would be any different. But after downloading it, I was actually surprised. The layout was super clean, chapters were well organized, and it was really easy to navigate. I read it on my Kindle and Adobe Reader, and it looked great on both. That smooth access gave me a good vibe right from the start, which made me want to keep reading. Content quality and depth. As I went through the content, it was clear the authors put real effort into doing their homework. Each chapter walks you through the whole YouTube process, from picking your niche and getting how algorithms work, to editing tricks and engaging with your audience. What stood out to me most was how practical the advice was. I use Final Cut Pro and TubeBuddy myself, and the tips in the book helped me up my game with keywords and editing. You can really tell they've been in the trenches, making this guide trustworthy and helpful. Practical steps and real-life examples. One thing I really liked is how the book shares real success stories. Instead of just throwing theories at you, it breaks down actual YouTubers' journeys, emphasizing what they nailed and what they could have done better. I use YouTube Studio and vidIQ, and I could see how the tips matched industry best practices. Whether it's timing your uploads just right or designing thumbnails that pop, the step-by-step advice in the book keeps things super relevant. Tools and techniques shared. The book isn't shy about recommending specific tools and techniques. It has a full list of free and paid options for making videos, optimizing SEO, and analyzing your audience. I work with Canva and OBS Studio, and following the suggestions helped me get more out of these tools. I really liked the way it balanced high-end software recommendations with budget-friendly options, so it's useful whether you're just starting out or already creating content. Engagement strategies and branding advice. Another really useful part covers branding and how to connect with viewers. From keeping a consistent look across your channels to building a community in your comments, it covers a lot. I use Adobe Photoshop for my banners and Hootsuite for scheduling, and the ideas in the book gave me new ways to make my branding more cohesive across all platforms. It also dives into viewer retention psychology, which I found super insightful. Monetization methods explained. Of course, if you want to make money, understanding monetization is key. Luckily, this ebook does a great job explaining all the different ways creators can earn, from AdSense and sponsorships to selling merch and crowdfunding. I use Teespring and Patreon myself, and the guide gave me a clear plan for incorporating these into my channel strategy. I appreciated how it listed the pros and cons of each option, helping me and other readers make smarter choices. If you're serious about growing on YouTube, staying current with the latest trends and understanding how the platform's algorithm works is a must. The ebook I checked out offers up-to-date info on what's hot right now and how the algorithm is developing. I personally use tools like Google Trends and Social Blade to stay in the loop, and the advice I picked up from the book seriously helped me fine-tune my content to match what viewers are craving. The section on shorts and vertical videos was especially helpful. It got me thinking differently about how I create and post videos, making my content more relevant and engaging. One thing I really appreciate about Becoming a YouTube Celebrity is how easy it is to read. The language is straightforward, clear, and avoids fancy jargon, which makes it a great resource whether you're just starting out or already familiar with the basics. I often use Grammarly and Microsoft Word to write my scripts, and the way this book is written gave me some solid ideas on how to communicate more effectively with my audience. Using bullet points, checklists, and quick summaries at the end of each chapter makes it easier to remember important points and keep learning. What sets this ebook apart is the positive, motivating tone. It's not just about giving instructions, it really encourages you and keeps your motivation up. The authors remind you that building a successful YouTube channel takes time and persistence, not overnight success. I use tools like Notion for setting goals and Trello to plan out my content, and the inspiring messages in the book definitely helped me stay consistent and motivated. Plus, the quotes from well-known creators and personal stories throughout the book make it feel more real and relatable. When it comes to value for money, becoming a YouTube celebrity is a pretty smart buy. It's priced fairly, and considering how much detailed info, practical advice, and motivational content you get, it definitely feels worth it. I bought it through Amazon Kindle and PayPal, and I can honestly say it over-delivered on what I expected. Whether you're just starting out or trying to level up your existing channel, this guide is a solid investment. All in all, this book isn't just a how-to guide, it's like having a knowledgeable friend along your journey. I rely on YouTube, editing tools, analytics, and publishing platforms daily, and this ebook has become a key part of my toolbox. If you want to navigate the often confusing YouTube world with more confidence, this is a fantastic place to start. Thank you.